Remember the last time you tried to build a Shopify page? 5 tutorials, 20 clicks, and still broken. You don't need another complex builder. You need something that actually feels easy. Introducing Ecombe, new lightweight builder for faster pages. Easy means no learning curve. You open it and just build. No drag and drop mess. No bloated code slowing your site. Only what you need, right where you expect it. Easy means focused. You adjust what matters, not endless settings. Ecombe, the template-first builder powering every e-commerce template. Thousands of ready-made templates redesigned with the quality of premium Shopify themes. Each one optimized for speed, SEO, and CRO, so your store loads faster and sells smarter. Every industry, every niche, there's a template ready for you. And introducing Ecombe Kits. With just one click, an entire store framework comes alive. All essential pages designed as one seamless shopping journey. It's not just easy anymore, it's effortless. And beyond design, Ecombe helps your store perform. Run A/B tests, see what converts in real time with analytics. Translate live, launch anywhere. Expand to multiple markets effortlessly. When support matters, we lead the category. A perfect 5.0 rating from thousands of merchants and a 5-star team that stays with you until your store succeeds. Everything your business needs, all in one place. Ecombe, helping build a better e-commerce. Discover the easiest way to build a successful store at ecombe.com.